Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to buy USDT on OKX. So let's jump in right into the video. Open up OKX application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Buying USDT on OKX involves several steps. From the main homepage, before buying any kind of a cryptocurrency, make sure that your account is verified. If you've not verified to your account yet, make sure you do that first, and then after your account is verified, you can go ahead and deposit funds into your OKX account. You can deposit cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then you'll be able to trade them for USDT. Go ahead and tap on the buy button from the main homepage of OKX wallet, and then select one of the options from P2P trading or buy crypto. Here I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the buy crypto option. Soon after you do that, in the search box type in USDT in order to search for USDT. Once you find the Tether or USDT option, give it a tap and then enter the minimum amount of AED you'd like to spend in order to purchase USDT. After you are done, you'll need to select your payment method. Tap on the Select Payment Method button and then select one of the payment options you'd like to use between bank transfer, Simplex, Banza, or any other options from the display. You also want to look for the best price displayed on the page and tap on Next. If you've not linked your phone number yet, you'll first need to link your phone number, verify your phone number, and you will be able to make your purchase. Simply go ahead and enter your valid phone number in the text box. You will then need to verify your phone number, tap on Send Code, and select a verification method. Wait for an SMS code to arrive, and once you receive it, paste it in the phone verification text box. Now, you'll also need to verify your email. So go ahead and tap on the Send Code button right under Verification Email and wait for the email verification code to arrive. Once you receive it, click it Open and copy the code that you received. Paste it inside the email verification tab from OKX app and tap on OK. Soon after you are done entering your phone number, tap on the Next button and in the Buy Preview page, go ahead and check if everything's alright, and finally tap on the Buy button at the bottom in order to proceed with your payment. You can now go ahead and chat directly with the seller and complete your payment. Finally, after you've made your purchase, you can tap on I have paid and upload the payment proof in order to confirm that you've paid for the order. After you are done, you will be able to submit your order, and that way you should be able to buy USDT from your OKX application. And that is how you can easily purchase USDT on OKX. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.